The flight attendant announcement. A welcome announcement. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard this flight to Riyadh. My name is Jennifer and I'm your flight service director. Your cabin crew are here to ensure you have an enjoyable flight to Riyadh this morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Saudi Air Flight 747 bound for Manila. We're sorry for the delay in our departure. Please fasten your seatbelt and refrain from smoking while the no smoking sign is on. From Captain Ryan Montesclares and the crew, it is our pleasure to serve you today. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know. Thank you. In a few moments, we'll be screening a safety video about this aircraft. You'll also find a safety briefing card in the seat pocket and in front of you. We require that you give us your careful attention. Ladies and gentlemen, for safety announcement. The safety instruction card is in the pocket of the seat in front of you. Please read it. It shows you the equipment carried on this aircraft for your safety. A light jacket in the pocket under your seat to put it on. Place it over your head, clip on the waistband, and pull it tight. Please do not inflate it while you are still inside the aircraft. An evacuation slide and life raft is at each door. Your crew will direct you to your door. Additional emergency exits are shown in the written. Entertainment service announcement. For your enjoyment during our flight today, we have placed a complimentary copy of our in-flight specific way in the seat pocket in front of you. If you wish, please feel free to take this with you when you leave. Sky Shop. Those interested in buying duty-free goods will also find our Sky Shop brochure in the seat pocket. Entertainment system. If you are in the first or business class section, you'll find controls for your reading flight, call button, and the in-flight entertainment system on the inside of your seat armrest. In the economy cabin, these controls are located on top of your seat armrest. To adjust your seat, push the round button beside the panel. Toilets for passengers seated in the economy cabins are located at the front, middle, and rear of these cabins. Tea, coffee, and a full bar service will be available throughout the flight. If you require any special assistance, please contact a flight attendant nearest you. You are here to ensure that you have a comfortable and enjoyable flight. Later on, we'll dim the cabin lights so you can get some rest. We recommend that while asleep, you keep your seatbelt fastened over the top of your blanket. This way it will not be necessary to wake you up should the seatbelt sign come on during the flight if you don't want to be wakened. For breakfast, please advise the flight attendant. Thank you. Entertainment system. If you are in the first or business class sections, you will find controls for the reading flight, call button, the in-flight entertainment system on the inside of your seat armrest. In the economy cabin, these controls are located on top of your seat armrest. To adjust your seat, push the round button beside the panel. Toilets for passengers seated in the economy cabins are located at the front, middle, and rear of the cabin. Tea, coffee, and a full bar service will be available throughout the flight. If you require any special assistance, please contact a flight attendant nearest you. We're here to ensure that you have a comfortable and enjoyable flight. Later on, we'll dim the cabin lights so you can get some rest. We recommend that while asleep you keep your seatbelt fastened over the top of your blanket. This way it will not be necessary to wake you up should the seatbelt sign come on during the flight if you don't want to be awakened. For breakfast, please advise a flight attendant. Thank you. Farewell announcement. We hope you have enjoyed the flight entertainment. We are now preparing to land. The bar is closed and we will soon collect your headset. May I remind you to complete your arrival and immigration documentation by the time we arrive. This always someone who is short humble-related cabin crew announcement of mine and appreciate it. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Nevertheless, I just thought of making it up for I remember the moment with my sisterhood when we were playing the role of being a flight attendant or cabin crew. The lights are hard of commemorating our year's experience. We're entertained and given a good service of Saudi Airlines, and we're inspired to be one of them and want to be someday. Somehow, we all get different journey in life, inspiration by the talent or success of people. Never stop believing when you want to pursue on something. Go for it. Have a great day and God bless.